Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Becky for those of you who are new here, and today I wanted to do a little vlog for you guys, just kind of showing you what I do throughout the day and take you guys along with me. So this is basically my chore list for the month, with the exception of 1 week that's missing here because I can only fit 3 weeks on this little paper pad. So this week we are focusing on cleaning the kids' bedrooms, and I do zone cleaning. I got this idea from how Jen does it, and she has really great videos explaining how she does her zone cleaning and her cleaning schedules. So every week I have my daily chores that I do. For example, Monday is restrooms, Tuesday dust, Wednesday I clean all the glass, and then Thursday I do the floors, which is just vacuuming and mopping. And then I have my more detailed cleaning, which is in the zone cleaning. So today is zone 6, and it's cleaning the kids' bedrooms, and I pretty much have already done everything with the exception of dusting the ceiling fans. I still need to dust the blinds and lampshades and window, and also need to go to the grocery store and pick up some more staple items like eggs and bread and milk. So let's go. So as you can see, it's 11:53 and it's getting late, and I need to do all this before I pick up the kids from school. I need to unload the dryer before I leave, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Excuse me. So I'm gonna fold when I come back, and we need to leave quickly so we can go do our errands before I have to come back home and start doing the mopping and vacuuming and all of that. So I am making my list for the grocery store. Just need some bread, eggs, milk, some juice, snacks, and chocolate milk. And I think that's it. Ready to go?
What?
Let's go. You have to stay here, Sebastian. You can't come with us. We'll see you later, boy. Pumpkins are still going strong. I just wanted to show you guys all the leaves that we have accumulating on the driveway, and all the leaves that need to be raked up. So many leaves. Look at all the leaves. Go get food.
Get all the skates, Mommy. You get all the skates.
The cakes, baby. Good. This is my favorite cheese. Pencil? Yay! The best. favorites.
going to catch on.
This is my favorite butter. You ready to go bye-bye? You ready?
Wait. Bye.
How I fold my grocery bags. Straighten it out. Fold it in half. And then tie this part around. Pull it through. Just in case you were wondering, I just have a basket that I got from the Dollar Tree. And just the way that I showed you how I folded them, it makes them really compact, and then I just stick them in. And just in case you guys were wondering how the inside of my fridge looks, that's how it looks. For the most part, on a daily basis, that's usually how I have it set up. Now I have to get to tackling these chores, and anything that I don't get done today, I will try to finish up tomorrow. Trying to do one of them firm commercials. So we just had dinner and I forgot to show y'all what I was making. So I made ground turkey with carrots, potatoes, and peas, and mac and cheese on the side. And I made croissants as well. And I'm just cleaning up after dinner. So I had to finish washing the dishes. So kitchen is clean and the dishes are washed. They just need to dry and then I can put them away. And lo and behold, I still have not folded the laundry from this morning, so I still have to do that. And I just put some toys that were in the living room in the basket so I can take those upstairs too. My son is just practicing guitar because he started guitar lessons this week, so he's supposed to practice for at least 15 minutes every day. So he's gonna practice a little bit before he has to get ready for bed. Right? And we just built that robot. That was a gift for my son's birthday. They just put it together. That's so funny. Oh! wish it would vacuum. That would be nice if it would vacuum. So that's the end of the vlog, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the laundry and hopefully get it put away tonight. We'll see what happens. And we're just gonna go ahead and wind down and get the kids ready for bed. Hopefully at a decent time so that I can relax because I need some rest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog and just seeing what I do throughout the day. And I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye.